Hi, I'm Dan Chronnell from Freesat. I'm the Director of Product Development there. And Freesat is a free-to-air satellite TV business in the UK, jointly owned by the BBC and ITV. Freesat has launched 3 major products in the last 2 years, which have involved UI experiences across multiple devices. The first was a hybrid set-top box, which is a Freesat with FreeTime, which launched in October 2012, which is a hybrid set-top box which has on-demand content, a backwards EPG, search, and a content showcase, which is editorial picks of what customers might like to watch. So, following on from that, we launched in January this year, we launched our mobile application, which is designed to simplify and optimize the TV viewing experience. So it allows people to control all those same features, search, on-demand content, backwards EPG, and recordings, but from a mobile application rather than from the main TV set-top box. And then the third thing that we announced just last week is a deal with Panasonic. So Freesat FreeTime Smart TV Guide is inside the 2014 Panasonic Viera Smart TV range. So Freesat is very concerned about the user and making sure things are simple and easy for them to understand and to use. And obviously what that encompasses is different on different devices. So on a set-top box, it's a very lean-back experience. People are with a remote control, they're at a distance, and they're working through choosing their TV viewing via the remote control. So that's a very disengaged experience. Whereas with a mobile app, where someone sat on a train, they've sat very close to their mobile app, and they're working very quickly and simply through a mobile app to actually do something that may take 20 or 30 seconds maximum to achieve before they're ready to go on and do something else. So those two different contexts provide a very different use case, if you like, for the different devices. So the job for Freesat's product team is to manage those two different contexts appropriately and make sure that Freesat customers get the best experience in all those different places. Freesat's FreeTime application is very much on the mobile devices, is very much a personal experience. So it's something where customers will create their own account, they'll link to their box, it will manage all their recordings, they'll be able to see and understand what all their recordings are from wherever they are, and they can also bookmark all the on-demand content that they want to access. That's the sort of simple level of personalization that we've achieved within the Freesat FreeTime service. It's not the next stage for us is to move into a more personal area, but we feel that editorial curated picks that we provide for the customer in our showcase are the best way of moving forwards into that area. So we're looking to make picks of what's on tonight, or the best of on demand, or maybe even going forwards in the future we'll be looking to showcase what kids programs or what films are on this week, to enable people to choose the type of content they're most interested in, and then make sure they can watch that when they want to. I mean, it's great to see TV Connect in the UK. I mean, obviously there are international trade shows abroad, but this is really starting to show that the UK is a real hub for this kind of particular specific expertise. And it's really great to be part of an event that's got such a good feeling to it in terms of volumes of people here and number of active suppliers who are coming in. So it means to us that we can come and see all the best worldwide providers who we rely on for our Freesat's innovation model is very much about integrating the best-in-class providers from around the world, so it's great to come and see them all here and catch up with them and understand what they're offering. I think it'll be more about mobile and more about accessing content everywhere. I think we'll also be seeing people moving forwards in different ways. I think the new devices that the global players are providing will be giving us more interesting challenges to work on. But from Freesat's perspective, I think the next year is really about moving our software, moving away from a world where we're focused solely on hardware into a world where we're much more focused on software, and looking at how we can move our HTML apps from one device to another so that someone can use them throughout the home, whatever device they're using.